Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to create open doors in The Sims 4. Now, the first thing you need to do is place an archway where you want your doors to go. The archway isn't absolutely necessary, but it creates a little frame to make it look like the doors are actually open and not just coming straight out of the wall. Now, speaking of wall, you do have to delete the surrounding walls because in order to put the doors at a slant, they're going to keep snapping to the wall behind it. So we're deleting those and we're creating our own slanted walls just a little bit further away from the home so that we can place the doors at an angle on a slant and use our move objects cheat to slowly put them onto the door frame. Now, the move objects cheat is just bb.moveObjectsOn once you have your testing cheats on. And in this particular situation, I had 2 extra walls that I had to remove because that door was being pesky and wanted to snap to the grid there. So now without those walls for it to snap into, we can use the Alt key on our keyboard and freely move that door onto the frame. So you just have to use your judgment here. I didn't like the little bit of visual glitching, so I brought it up just a tiny bit. And now I'm going at an angle to make sure that the door is actually connected to the frame and not just floating in midair. So now that the doors are exactly where you want them, you can go ahead and delete the extra slanted walls that we created and simply rebuild your walls. All you have to do is put the walls back where they were, put your wallpaper on, and you're ready to go. So this was a super quick tutorial by request. If you guys have any more requests for tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoy this really cute open door trick. Now, I'm not sure what the Sims are going to do in gameplay, if they're going to try to go through the slanted door or not, but my Sim happened to just walk straight through the archway as if the doors weren't even there. So here's a little video of that so you can see her going inside and you can see this cute little cottage functioning with the open doors. So there you have it. You can be as creative as you want with the archways and the doorways. You could even maybe use spandrels to make it work. So have fun, be creative, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And don't forget to leave those comments below if you would like to see some more tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.